Hello, Robometrics is back with another concept. This time we are talking about cross-correlation and convolution. Correlation and convolution are basic functions that help us extract information from the images. They are methods by which spatial filters are applied on an image. Now let's look at them in more detail. Cross-correlation basically tells you how similar the kernel is to the image at any particular point. This is used for image alignment and simple image matching. This symbol which you see here is how you represent cross-correlation. Here H means the image and F means the filter. This is a particular equation which helps us find the cross-correlation in our images. Here H again represents our image's particular pixel value, and F, I, U plus J and J plus V represents the particular position of that pixel. What we exactly and how we exactly use this is shown in the next slide. Here this is our image and this is our kernel. So in cross correlation we place the kernel on the image and accept the particular pixel which we want to find out. We multiply all the rest of it. That is, we'll multiply 1 into 1 by 9, 2 into 1 by 9, 3 into 1 by 9 and so on till 9 except 5. When we do so, we end up with a value of 4.44. Now what if you want to find the value of the pixel at this particular position? What we simply do is pad the image. We can pad the image in two ways, either padding it with values of zeros, or we can simply just put the values of whatever kernel is right beneath them. That is, we put 1 and 1 over here, 2 over here, 3 over here, 3 again over here, and similarly and so on. And then you again repeat the same process with 1 being the center. I hope you got the concept right. Let me know in the comments section what you get as an answer. Now let's look at convolution. Convolution is a process in which values of an image are multiplied by the kernel and each output pixel is altered by the contribution of the number of adjoining input points. It's simply represented like this, and the equation exactly is similar, but the only point is now there is a negative sign. This means that convolution is exactly like correlation, except the point that the filter is now flipped to an angle of 180 degree. Now let's look at an example of it. We have the same image and the kernel is now looks like this. I just changed it because I wanted to make it more understandable for you guys. Now what we do is, since the kernel is flipped 180 degree, we see that 1 by 10.5 is now multiplied with 1. 1 by 9 is now multiplied with 2, and so on. You see, this is how your kernel is to be multiplied. The last 1 by 8 is now multiplied with 9. Again, we won't multiply 5 and 1 by 9. After doing this calculation, we get as an answer equals to 4.55. If you want to find the values of this or this pixels, we simply pad the image and again find out the answer. I'm looking for your comments to know what you get an answer as. So please do let me know. I hope you understood this concept and let me know if you have any other doubts. Till then, keep watching. Thank you. Robometrics.